So pretending we're making an invoice here, right? First thing you need to do is to bring up the project description, which is in a different document. And in Notion, the moment you think about another piece of information, you can just directly bring it in. So for example, we're trying to look for the product description. You just search for it. Here's that snippet of information. And you drop it in. And we can also see its original page, original context. So that's the original document. Now, this is not merely copy and paste. There's a synchronize going on still. So if you, let's say, you or later another guy changed the original document, right? The new occurrence of that piece of information update also. Of course, you want this to look like the rest of the page, so you can just delete its current style and maybe drop on the style that you like. Just drag onto it. Now they look different, yet the content is still synchronized in either way. Of course, anytime you feel, okay, you want to freeze the content, you just unsynchronize it, right? And they no longer update the other one.